Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gorn Guitar. We have the song here from Alec Benjamin. A great song, pretty addictive to play when it comes to the picking. This song is actually called Pick Me, Pick Me, Pick Me. Alright, anyway, let's go into the chords. So we have a couple of chords here. We're gonna go over and we're gonna do that without any capo, no needed for any capo. So we will start here first with the D, and that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have A, and that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. We have E as well, and that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. And then we're gonna go into the bar chords here. We're gonna start with the F sharp minor 7. So that's a bar chord. You place a bar here on the second fret over all strings, and then you need to add fourth on A. All right. Then we go into the B minor chord. You're gonna keep the bar there on the second fret. You don't need to bar the last E string here. So you just bar the last 5 strings below there, so 5 strings from bottom up on the second fret, and then you need to add fourth on D, fourth on G, and third on B. There you have your B minor. And then you take the exact same grip and move it 2 frets towards you. You land with the bar finger now on the fourth position, and this chord is called the C sharp minor. So the C sharp minor here, exact same grip as the B minor, gives you bar on 4th fret, and then you need to add 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. And there you have all the chords needed. So we're gonna look at this verse play, this melody, and it's based upon D, A, E, and the F sharp minor. It goes like this, a little bit slower. So I took the chords separately here. That's what we're gonna look at. So we're gonna start with the D first. Hold the chord as it is, and you're gonna play open D, and then comes this part that is on the open E string to begin with, the high E string. And then I hammer on to get the second E. So I don't pick the second E with my right hand here. I just hammer on the finger on the second fret to get the open and second E. So, and then I continue with third B, second G, and third B. That's the D part. So slowly. The next chord is the A. Hold the chord as it is, and you're gonna play this part. So that is open A, then second B, second G, second D, and back to second B. Next chord is E. Again, hold the chord as it is, and you're gonna play this part. So that is open E, the low open E string, and then first G, second D, second A, and back to first G. And then you go to the F sharp minor 7 and play exact same pattern here as the E, just different notes there. It sounds like this. So that is second on E, the low E string, and then second G, second D, fourth A, and back to second G. That is 1 round. All right, you're gonna play this melody here for 8 rounds. So 1 round goes. All right, so 8 rounds of that, and that is your verse play. If you think that is too hard and get the tempo, all the notes and all that, we're gonna look at 1 string pattern, and that is used for the chorus. You can also use that for the verse play. So if you go back to the D now, again, to replace the melodies here, you can play the strumming, and 1 string goes down, down, up, down, up. So you're you're gonna play one string around per chord. So with the chord progression, D, A, E, and F sharp minor, it goes like this. So again, one round was down, down, up, down, up. What I do here on the down downs in the beginning there, I'm gonna play one on the bass strings. Sorry for the bad sound there, but anyway, bass. And then the next down is more on the higher notes. And then I continue with up, down, up on the mid-high strings. So, bass, top. Right, so that's a strumming pattern. Like I said, for the first play, one string around per chord for the same chords there, D, A, E, and F sharp. Let's go over to the chords now. And you're gonna play strumming here only. So it starts with D, A, E, and F sharp minor. One string around per chord, and you do that for 2 chord progression rounds. That's the first part of this course. We're gonna go for that first. So D, A, E, F sharp. Again. And then you continue with D, A, C sharp minor, F sharp minor. One string around per chord. So D, A, C sharp, F sharp. And then you end with D, 2 string rounds, and 1 down on E plus a pause. So D, D, E, and a pause. And that builds up for the next part. So that is the chorus play. You're gonna do that for only this one round. But to summarize this, it was D1, A1, E1, F sharp minor 1. You do that part for 2 rounds. And that is actually exactly the same pattern as for the verse. So no changes there. Then you continue with D1, A1, C sharp minor 1, and F sharp minor 1. And then you end with D2 and E1 down plus a pause. So that's a chorus play. You go back then and play the verse again in the same way, and the second chorus is just a repetition of that as well. After the second chorus comes a post-chorus part, and you're gonna continue with the strumming here. You're gonna play D1, A1, E1, F sharp minor 1. So in the same way as you play the verse, and then you end with D2 and E1 down plus a pause in the same way as the chorus ended. So that is after the second chorus comes this added post-chorus parts. And after that post-chorus part comes a bridge part. It's right after the 2-minute mark there in the song. You're gonna play strumming still, B minor 2, E2, B minor 2, E2. So let's do that. Like I said, it comes right after the second chorus, post-chorus part, about 2 minutes and something into the song. After this bridge part, you're gonna go back and play the final chorus, the third chorus again. This time you play the same chord progression, but you play just 1 down per chord. Just 1 down per chord, the same chords. And after you've done that for a full chorus part, you're gonna play the outro, and the outro part is the exact same part as you played the post-chorus part. You play that after the second chorus, so exact same part there, D, A, E, F sharp, then D2 and E1 down. And that's it, my friends. Alec Benjamin's song called Pick Me. A nice choice there if you are a guitarist like I am. Fits guitar very well, so give it a try. And if you like this tutorial, please feel free to hit this like, and perhaps consider actually to subscribe to this channel and enjoy the weekend here with me, perhaps the rest of your life, who knows. So anyway, feel free to support me here on Chord Guitar, and yeah, that's for now. Hope to see you very soon. Until then, play tuned.